Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and in this device we've got three different options, so off, 10 and 3 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific option. I will choose 10 seconds, so too late. Just tap on the specific option and it will be immediately applied. You can see that this icon changed slightly, so you can always quickly check whether you've got the timer set or not. So now simply tap on this shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn off the timer just by tapping on this icon again and choosing this crossed out icon on the right. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.